Alright, we are here at the Comfort Inn, Lancaster County, here in Columbia, Pennsylvania. And we're going to ride the elevator. It's another Lancaster elevator with GL Jet Plus fixtures.
Yeah. I think it's the same because the postal code is the same for the both reservation.
Look in there, that's the pool.
Let me change the name.
And here it is. It's up to 3. Here are 3. Very interesting door operator. Back down to 1. Pretty basic, but kind of small, Lancaster elevator. 2,000-pound capacity, and these are your GL Jet Plus buttons, Lancaster elevators. And there's your certificate. The elevator was installed in 2006, and you're at 1. Every number's burned out except for the arrows.